Hi everyone, my name is Christopher and I'm part of the Azure Identity team here at Microsoft. As an admin, you may have received a duplicate proxy address attribute error while syncing or updating user objects from on-premise to cloud, either through self-investigation or Azure AD Connect help. Here is a quick demonstration of how to investigate, identify, resolve the duplicate proxy address attribute error. Let us look at a scenario where you attempt to update an existing proxy address for a user. The operation failed with sync error attribute value must be unique. In this video, we see two synced Azure AD user from on-premise called Mark Smith and Mark Taylor. Mark Smith with user principal name Mark S and proxy address Mark S, and Mark Smith, and Mark Taylor with user principal name Mark T and proxy addresses Mark.Taylor and Mark T. Let us consider you have a requirement to update Mark Taylor's proxy address attribute with value Mark, and you have completed this action in your on-premise environment. Azure AD Connect attempts to update Mark Taylor's proxy address information with the preceding value. The operation fails because the proxy address value is already assigned to Mark Smith. The result is an attribute value must be unique error. To fix this issue, log on to Azure Active Directory portal, navigate to Azure Active Directory Connect, click on Azure Active Directory Connect help, click on the Sync Error tab, search or select the user, in our case Mark Taylor, and you will see the conflicting object. Identify which object should continue having the duplicate value, in our case Mark Smith, and then proceed in removing the value from Mark Taylor. Please ensure changes are made in the directory where the object is sourced, in our case the on-premise Active Directory, and let Azure AD Connect sync the change to fix the error. Alternatively, you can also see the sync provisioning error via PowerShell command on your Azure Active Directory Connect server by running the get msol directory sync provisioning error as shown below. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.